Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another MotorMike official YouTube video on the World Wide Web. Today we are going back to a good old... Jesus. This car's gonna rattle apart. We're going back to a good old series on the MotorMike YouTube channel, Cruising and Chatting, episode 3. Now, what is Cruising and Chatting? Well, it's a little vlog where I drive around and we just talk about cars and things and stuff like that. So today's episode, we're just gonna go for a little drive. We're gonna go explore the MotorMike neighborhood and see what's good. For example, these people are doing construction. Did not give them permission to be constructing on my hour. Skirt! Autocross. Whee! Oh my goody goodness. But yeah, got Judy back from the shop today. She got a little tune up on the carburetor. Apparently there was a bit of oil in the carburetor, which is not okay. Not ideal from what the mechanic told me. And yeah, now now she's running just fine. We're doing, oh, stop, please. She's doing all right. She's running strong, kind of giving her her maiden voyage. See what's up. And yeah, we're just gonna go from there. So, what are we gonna talk about today? That is a fantastic one. Go, drive before I stall. Kind of testing out a new little GoPro setup on my head. Got the actual strap instead of the ghetto baseball cap with the GoPro mount attached. There's 4. That's cool. Kind of testing out the new little GoPro strap. So now it's like you're actually like me and you're driving like me. I do look like a bit of an alien though. I'm not sure if you can see in the mirror. It's a little interesting of a setup. I look like a serial killer, but you know, that's the price. Fashion, you know. I'm a very fashionable man when it comes to my GoPro setups. Hopefully you can hear me too. It's a little loud in here. In fact, I'm gonna crack this open just a little bit. Ah, there we go. Nice fresh air. It smells less like gas with that open. Fun fact. So yeah, we're gonna go. Don't stare at me like that. I don't know you. Don't look at me. We're gonna go for a little ride around the block. See how the car holds up. It's more of a test than anything to make sure the car doesn't explode or discombobulate. Look at that. I missed this. There you go. Good old double clown horn on that. She's at currently, the mileage is at 7,200. That is about, that's a whole lot of mileage since I bought this. Woo! Woo! Really draws you back in your seat there, buddy. It's always a damn Prius from New Jersey causing shit. Get out the way. We are now approaching NPCville. NPCville's down there. But it seems to be a whole lot of traffic and I'm not really trying to deal with all that right now. So I'm just gonna indicate that way. Camaro. That was a nice pothole. Wow. Okay. If this can this minivan speed up just a little bit? You're getting tailgated by a bug. Hurry up. Look at the little shark. He's got a shark on his window. Oh, every time you point, your fingertip touches the glass. So if I go like that, I'm touching the glass. Look at all these people pursuing a higher education. Like, why are you pursuing, like, why are you going to college when you can just be a YouTuber like me and have fun? Like, why are you going to school? School is for fools. That was great. You saw nothing. That didn't happen. That was great. The brakes work fantastic. Way to go. Thanks, Judy. You stopped fast enough. That was great. Well, they didn't see anything. Not the cameraman going around a college campus, almost crashing into minivans. You saw nothing, guys. That was fun. Fantastic. What are these people doing? Children. Are you deaf? Thank you. Skirt. Meow. They're just standing in the way. Like, move. That's what I got the clown horn for. Exactly why I got the clown horn. That's fantastic. Well, Judy's brakes work. The car moves. Big puddle right there. Splashy splash. We're just out cruising. Why are you looking at me? Oh, Mr. Softy's here. Yo, that's hype. But, you know, not strict diet. We can't be eating no Softy. We can't be eating no Mr. Softy. We're on that strict diet right now. Hopefully no freaking cars want to stop short out of nowhere. First gear. Rev it up. There you go. She was rather quite attractive. Wow. I swear, everybody has to inconvenience me at the most inconvenience times. I'm about to stall out. Trying to make that YouTube money. Got people stopping me in my way. Oh, here we go. Slow. Second gear. Yes, I know. Yeah, pansy. Whoa, what, am I supposed to run you over? Huh? Huh? What a punk. What a punk. He's like, go over. Like, I know where to go. What, am I gonna run you guys over? I should. But I'm not. I feel like I can use this as like my dash cam. Just have a camera strapped to my head the whole time. Or I can record you NPC looking. You can't do that. It's not 7 o'clock yet. I swear, like, I'm gonna capture so many of you idiots on the road. I'm just gonna upload you to my YouTube channel. Good night. Don't grind first. Oh my god, a possum. I love possums. Whee! Skirt! Okay, the car turns alright. That's good. Good test drive here. Let's go see what's at the cool mechanic shop where I called, but they wouldn't take my car for 2 weeks. That's why I went to my other boys, and they hooked me up. They fixed my car quickly, and for not that much money. Well, let's go see this shop. Thread the needle. Meow. Second gear. Meow. Oh my god, people! You don't see me driving on the sidewalk. What a punk. Yeah, look at chicken legs. And then we got this Hyundai in front of us. Skirt, move. Let's see anything. Oh, 4-speeds are at the shop. Look at that. Damn. Damn, boy. They got the whips out today. They got the automobiles out today. Oh, check out this Mustang right here. Check this out. It was like a salvage car and the guy rebuilt it. Look at the wing. Look at the wing. God damn. That thing is so aerodynamic, I swear. It's probably quarters better than a Formula 1 car with that bad boy on. The whole front of the car was completely destroyed. Like, it did not exist. I'm turning up here, drop it second, get on that gas. Look at that! Whoa! Look at me go! I think after 6 months of owning this car, I finally figured it out. Yeah, man. It's like a Porsche. Now, wee. Oh, I see. What the hell is that? What is that thing? It's in front of me. Oh, it's a truck. It's like a truckle. Look, it's a big truckle too. Big truckle. Big truckle. Oh yeah. Look at these guys. Hey, we've got the wave. Ooh, what's down there? Oh, that's a house. Right. Right is right. Let's go. Whee! Skirt. Oh, goddamn. I'm telling you, it's just like a Porsche. Stop staring at me. It's just like a Porsche. It stops like a Porsche. It handles like a Porsche. It was built by Porsche. It's a Porsche. I can't tell the difference. Look at that, quick shift. But I finally think I'm starting to get the cobwebs off Judy, because she was sitting for quite a while and she didn't really go anywhere for like 49 years, and she only had like 4,000 miles on it, and now it's in my hands. Whee! You're gonna see me destroy this car on camera. Oh, let me not jinx that. I mean, let me enjoy this car on camera, because this is pretty much the lowest mileage. Like, tell me what other classic car has 7,000 original miles. I'll wait. I'll wait. Tell me what other classic car has 7,000 miles. Original mileage, you know? And now we're just chilling. We are just living life, L-I-V-I-N. We out cruising right now, making that YouTube clout. Quick shift. Meow. Let's see, anybody coming? We got time. There we go. First gear. Everybody walks around with headphones on. Get those damn headphones off and listen to my car poison the earth. Don't make eye contact with the people we stop short in front of. No, no tire marks. We're good. Oh, never mind. Little tire mark. Little tire mark. We are just cruising right now. We are just motoring right now. We are just motormiking right now. So Amazon, what you carrying? Carrying a whole lot of paper. Yeah, hurry the f up. Jesus. Yes, we've been through this. I know. Richard, what are you doing, miss? Almost got clipped by a bug. Stop looking at me. Stop looking at me. Everybody's staring. Very self-conscious. There you go. Run, child, run. Quick. Hurry. Get across the street. So excited. Green light. Bunch of pansies. Oh, he's on the go. Thank you very much. Muchas gracias. Oh, young fire. The fireman let me through. What a nice guy. We need more people like the firemen in this world, I'm telling you. So yeah, I just wanted to take this car out for a little test drive, you know, make sure that it works, it stops and stuff. Because this summer, oh boy, this car is gonna be from here to California and back. We're gonna take this across the universe, drive this on Mars, Jupiter, Spain, Puerto Rico. We're taking it everywhere. So if you guys did enjoy another one of the MotorMike YouTube videos on the World Wide Web, definitely consider subscribing. Definitely give us a like. You know, give us a like on this video. Let me know how good of a YouTuber I'm growing and blossoming into. So that'll be much appreciated from you guys. So that way we can keep producing content on the World Wide Web and not feel like I'm just uploading for my parents and my friends, you know? Third gear, let's go. So yeah, definitely stay tuned, more uploads. If it doesn't freaking rain, those big rain clouds better go away soon. I'm telling you, I'm gonna scream. Ah! I swear, I'm gonna kick a fat kid at Kmart if it rains today. But yeah, thanks for watching once again. More car show videos to come, more Judy and Priscilla videos, and I shall see you in the next upload. 2023, get your goals, get your gains, la-di-da-di-da, do what you gotta do, and I'll see you around.